Hey guys, it's Andrew Esquivel here, back with, I wouldn't really call it a review, but more of a test. You see, I got Frankie here, my Roombot. Call him Frank, because much like Dr. Frankenstein resurrected a corpse from the dead or something, I resurrected this old piece of technology from the dead. You see, Frank here is a Roomba, and this model's like 10 years old or something like that. It's the Roomba Pro Elite 3100. When I first got it, the poor thing didn't work at all. No charger, broken battery, the battery just wore out, and it had no maintenance done on it, ever. So I got a new battery. Let me just switch this around here. I got a new battery, which is yellow. I cleaned the bristles of most of the debris. And I got a new charger for it. And Frankie here is now charged up. We're going to see just what Frank can do. So, let's give it a go. Press power. And let's go with maximum cleaning.